Hello there. It's a while since I've done a swipe, so that is my my painting technique for today. So I've already got my little canvas with my 𝐏𝐸𝐬𝐳 Byron white paint down for the base. And the colours I'm going to use, I was going to use my Christmas colours again, but instead I wanted to use some of my blues that I've had made up in my cupboard for a while with metallic base. So I have got dark metallic blue, and all the metallic bases are silver. I have got medium metallic blue, and I have got light metallic blue. And with that, I am going to use my gold for my swipe colour, and it has a drop of silicone added to it. And I'm going to do a type of ghost swipe using my pieces of plastic to run through the paint to get the swipe that I want. I'm thinking I might do a longer, shorter swipe, so rather than doing the colours in the middle, I will do them slightly to off centre. So I'll start now. Well, I'm just loving those colours so far. I'll just run my torch over it to bring up some of those cells. And then I'm going to just walk away for a little while and let it develop, do its own thing. So I'll be back soon. Well, I'm back, and I've been gone for nearly 10 minutes. I don't know if the cells have finished developing, but I'm assuming they have. So I have had a look at it and decided that I really want to just take that piece off and bring this down further, but I want to tip some over the edge of this side first before I bring it back. So I'm going to tilt it to see what sort of pattern I can get, and to bring the gold up to the top of one end rather than in the middle. But I just want to take some of that down first before I bring it back up. that, well, I have achieved what I wanted now with the darker through to the lighter colours. The blues are showing up better now with the darker towards the top and the lighter towards the bottom, culminating in the white. And I'll just bring it up to the light now to show you how pretty that looks. The little cells, the larger pieces of gold, which I love so much in pictures like this, and I'm always more comfortable doing the smaller canvases. That is my video for today. Just a little painting with a little play around, doing a bit of a swipe with some of my favourite colours. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.